Let's prepare something that will set our stomach, clean it, and keep it in a proper position. See, I have this vegetable that I uploaded recently in my, yeah, I think it was, I was live when I showed you how I wash and preserve this vegetable. In the blender, I have Uziza, Utazi, and Unshawi. I added crayfish, prawns, habanero pepper, dawadawa, odogiri, and I'm blending all of them together. You can imagine the flavor. In fact, there was a fight of flavor in there because scent leaf have very good smell and aroma. Uziza, you know now. And this Utazi will be acting like our bitter leaf here. And I'm just going to use what I found in my freezer to prepare this fish. This fish had been there. I don't actually like this type of fish, but hubby loves it. So I decided to prepare it specially for him. Though everybody ate, he loved this fish and this soup. Anytime that bitters very much, he also like it. So after blending it, I'm going to introduce my fish to the pot. I added stock water, and also I will be adding salt, the bitter leaf. Wow, I'm calling it bitter leaf. Well, the blended leaf, and also I added some thickening, which is ashy. That is what I added because I didn't want to drink it like pepper soup. I actually wanted us to use it for swallow. And after that, I covered it and it boiled up. And by now, the aroma in my kitchen, whew, is nose blinding. We go on because this soup, see, you can actually leave it like this if you want to eat it with rice, because you can eat this with rice, believe me. But I want us to swallow with it. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to continue boiling. Did I mention that I use palm oil? I use palm oil because you saw me putting it. And I noticed that something is also missing, which is orioma. If you know what is orioma, you know what is happening in this kitchen right now. So I blended the one I have. I didn't pour all of them. I only use 1 full spoon of it. And everywhere in the kitchen, hi, you will know that you are in a village setting. Being that every leaves that I use here were freshly plucked. In my life, I say that if you preserve them well, you will definitely enjoy them. So this is it. Everything have boiled up. It is time for me to do what? To serve the soup. The fish soup. The fish black soup. Utazi, Uziza, and St. Leaf. It tasted super very nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.